Getting started with Nofence is extremely easy. All you need is a collar, a smartphone, and either a cow, sheep, or goat, depending on which species you're going to put it on. Okay, step one before you ever start loading cattle into the working pens is to get the collar turned on and make sure everything's connected. So super easy to get it done. All you do is take your battery, make sure it's fully charged up, plug it in, and you should hear a sound. Once you've got your battery installed in the collar and you've heard the collar turn on, the next thing to do is to make sure the battery is reporting. So this is the collar ID that will show up in your Nofence app. So go to your Nofence app. This is going to be your home screen. You're going to go to collars, and there are two options to best find your collar. You can either scroll and find 288778, reporting no pasture, or you can go to the search function 288778, and it is reporting with no pasture. Okay, once you've made sure the collar is reporting in the Nofence app, next best thing to do is to get prepared to put the collar on the animal. What I like to do before I get the animal in the chute is to go ahead and get one side of the strap placed into the locked into the chains. About 8 to 10 links is what I like to start with. It is going to vary depending on the size of your cattle and the breed, but just get a good starting point, and once you run a couple of through, you will be able to see where your best fit is for your herd. Okay, now that you have your neck strap attached to your chain and you've got your cow caught in the squeeze chute, you are ready to collar. Best thing to do is to grab one end of the neck strap and the end of the chain and to go underneath the neck of the cow. Sometimes it does take 2 people, depends on the cow. And then you push the chain through. Once you have the collar on, now it's time to make sure it check for fitment. Getting it fitted correctly is critical to making sure the collar stays on and works properly on the animal. There's multiple ways to check the fitment, but the main thing is you don't want to get it too tight or too loose. The way I like to do it is whenever the cow is calm and you need her to have just a little bit of length underneath the base of her neck in between the collar. Another way I like to check fitment is to make sure that the neck strap cannot be pulled over the pole of the cow's head and the base of one ear. So if you take and pull it forward and see this is too loose because it can come over the pole of her head and the base of one ear, meaning she can take and pull it off. So super easy to adjust. Pull the chain out, go through a couple more links, lock back in the grommet. Make sure you're fairly equal on your neck strap, on the chains on each side. And then again, pull this forward. See how it's not coming over the pole of her head and the base of her ear. And we still have a little bit of looseness. And she's collared.